Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, I will be covering the topic about surface area of a sphere. In our previous episodes, when we find the surface area of cylinder, prism, and pyramid, we use their nets. Okay, in case of sphere, it doesn't have a net. So how are we going to find then the surface area of a sphere? Okay, I will briefly show and explain the experiment on how to find the surface area of a sphere. Okay, we have here a sphere with radius r. We will completely cover this sphere with a string and it will look like this. And then this is a circle. This sphere is just the same as this circle. If from here to here, that's r or the radius, from this point up to this point, that's 2r or 2 times this radius. Okay, what does it mean by that? Okay, it means that the surface area of this sphere with the radius r is equal to the surface area of this circle, okay, with radius 2r. So, the formula then in finding the surface area of a sphere is, okay, pi times, okay, 2r times 2r. And this is equal to, okay, 2 times 2 is 4. So, 4 pi r squared. So, this is the formula that we will use in finding the surface area of a sphere. Okay, let's use this formula in answering this concept check question. The following is the process of finding the surface area of a sphere. We're going to fill in the blank with the appropriate answers. Okay, let's start with this first figure or this first sphere. This sphere has a radius of 2 centimeters. Okay, so to find the surface area, 4 times pi times radius squared. So we have 4 times pi times radius, which is 2 centimeters. So this is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 pi squared centimeters. So this is the surface area of this sphere. Okay, what about this second sphere? Okay, this sphere has a radius of 3 centimeters. So 4 times pi times the radius, which is 3. Okay, 3 squared is 9. So 9 times 4, that's equal to 36. So this is 36 pi. So 36 pi squared centimeters. So that is the surface area of this sphere. Okay, let's now answer this problem. The following figure shows a sphere with a radius of 4 centimeters, where 1/4 of the sphere has been removed. What is the surface area of this solid shape? Okay, commonly, problems about finding the surface area of a sphere is they will not give you a perfect sphere or a complete sphere. Okay, it will be more challenging if they will remove a part like this figure. Okay, in this figure, they remove 1/4 of this sphere. So they remove this part. So what we're going to find is the surface area of this remained part. So the remaining part is 3/4 of the sphere. But take note, since a part is removed, then that means we also need to find the surface area of this part. Okay, so surface area is equal to 4 times pi times radius squared. And since 3/4 is remain, then we have to multiply this one by 3/4. And later on, we will add this surface area. Okay, let's substitute. So 4 times pi, okay, times the radius, which is 4 centimeters. So 4 squared, that's going to be 16. Okay, times 3 over 4. Okay, simplify. 1. Okay, this is 4. So 4 times 4, 16 times 3, then that's equal to, okay, 48. So this is 48 pi. Okay, so we have here 48 pi. Okay, this is the surface area of this part, the 3/4 of this sphere. Okay, we have to add the surface area of this part since 1/4 is removed. So this is also considered a surface area. So the radius is 4 centimeters. So 4 squared is 16. So this is 16 pi. So 48 pi plus 16 pi. Okay, then this is equal to 64 pi. So the surface area of this sphere with the removed part is 64 pi, okay, squared centimeters.